Yeah.
So it's a kit car built on an Alfa Romeo.
Yeah.
So the thing, what I like about it is the shape, the style. I was looking for a kit to build and couldn't find anything in New Zealand with a roof because I was in Wellington, you need a roof.
Oh yeah.
Don't want a load of 7, plague a load of 7s.
Yeah.
The Cobras, well, they're a bit of fun, but agricultural, my liking. And so I was drawing up sketches and everything, and I come across a picture of one of these.
Oh.
It's a thing called a
So
pellet.
what kind size engine has it got in it?
Sorry?
What size engine has it got in it?
Oh, so it's got a Alfa 33 1700 quad cam motor.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's pretty light. What's the weight of it? Just about a ton, just over a ton.
640 kilos wet.
Oh. So it's light as.
So it's a lot of fun.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So how long have you had it then?
So I got the Shell in 2012.
Yeah.
And it took me 4 years to get it on the road in New Zealand. So I had to remanufacture all the suspension, to meet all our requirements and all this.
Yeah.
Remodeled the body, changed the front because it's a kudos shaped front now, not the
Yeah.
original duckbill I had. Had to manufacture lights and things.
So what would the value of one of these be now? Because it's obviously a one-off type thing.
Well, there's 6 of them I know of in the world.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
So insurance would be a problem then as well.
No, it's quite good. So, so it's insured for 38,000, I think.
Oh, that's pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah. It's not a lot of money, really.
No. Okay.